the message is very clear. We must have more empathy to people who we don't even know. We have to be kind to one another, like birds, animals, and people. And hugs come in any forms, and a hug could be more powerful. It's more powerful even than words, even if it's coming from a stranger.
Oh, okay.
But hug, the power of a hug.
Power of a hug. Okay, that's a good one. Maybe you might do a film on that. Okay.
Just did.
Yeah, no, like maybe like a title. You know, the power of a hug, like
sure.
People start thinking.
The embrace of a
On the bed. So this is missing up. Okay.